In today's video, I'm going to teach you. Here's how to add an outline, stroke, to a text in an image. Adding an outline around your text is a simple way to make words pop, improve readability, and create a polished, professional look, especially over busy backgrounds. We'll do this inside Fotor, and I'll walk you through each part so you know exactly what to click and why it matters. Start by opening your browser and heading to fotor.com, then log in. Being logged in helps keep your edits organized and makes it easy to revisit your project later. Once you're in, you'll see options on the home page. Choose Create a Design if you're starting fresh, or open your project if you've already got a design going. Either route is fine. The process for adding a stroke to your text is the same. Next, add your text. Click Text to open the text tools, then insert a text box onto your canvas. Type the words you want to style. At this stage, it can help to pick a font and size that fits your design so the outline you add will complement the final look. You can also position your text roughly where it will live. Centering or aligning it now gives you a better preview of how the stroke will read against the background. With your text box selected, look toward the top toolbar. Click Effects, and then locate the option labeled Outline or Stroke. If you don't see it immediately, make sure the text box is actively selected. The effects controls are context sensitive and appear when text is active. The outline or stroke setting is what creates that border around your letters, separating them from the background and improving contrast. Now fine-tune the look. Adjust the color of the stroke first. Choose a color that contrasts with both your text fill and the background for maximum readability. Then set the thickness. Thinner strokes are subtle and elegant, while thicker strokes are bold and attention-grabbing, great for headlines. Finally, tweak the opacity to control intensity. A fully opaque stroke delivers crisp separation. Lowering the opacity can soften edges for a more blended, stylized effect. Zoom in to check edges and zoom out to judge overall balance. If your background is bright, a darker outline usually reads better, and vice versa. Matching the stroke color to a brand palette can also unify your design. That's all it takes. By adjusting color, thickness, and opacity, you can quickly craft a clean, readable text outline that elevates your image. Experiment a bit until it feels just right, and you're done.